Hi, I'm Chef Govan Armstrong from Willie Jane, Post and Beam, and 8-ounce burger bars, and this is Willow. The great thing about Charlie's Fixtures is they have a great range of smallwares, from the advantageous home cook, you can really build out a great kitchen, to a professional chef. They'll have every single gadget that you need. My relationship with Charlie was pretty fantastic. One of the many things that made Charlie special was, without a doubt, his energy. We really built up a great relationship. I pretty much would buy all of my equipment from him. He would actually come out to do site visits and be a part of construction meetings, and very much a huge part of that process for me, and somebody that I could trust. He really just had his best interest was to make sure that I was happy.
Charlie's Fixtures, your one-stop shop for all your kitchen needs.
For recipes on today's show, visit our website at ulalam.tv. Be sure to visit and like us on Facebook. Kanina ko pa po gustong tikman to, okay? So, hindi natin palalampasin ang show without actually tasting this. So, umpisahan natin ang ginataang manok. Katulad ko ba kayo na ang gusto sa ginataang manok, malapot, gatang-gata at nandun yung suka flavor. Ganito po yun, medyo may konting kaalatan. Exactly what I want for my ginataang manok. Sarap! Now, let's try this. Ini-explain ko sa inyo kanina to mga kapamilya, look at this. Natatanggal na yung laman niya sa bones. Actually, nandun na yung buto sa platter. So, ibig sabihin, malambot talaga. Oh, wow. The asim factor is there. Paksiw na pata po, di ba? Tapos, nandun yung tamis at saka yung alat. Siyempre, dahil pagkatagal-tagal nating niluto, talaga namang napakalambot. Okay. At kapamilya, if you're hungry for more good food, you are always welcome here in my kitchen. I'll see you again next time dito po sa Ulalam. Goodbye! Ulalam would like to thank Luz Cafe with 2 branches at Geary Boulevard and Taraval Street in San Francisco, California.